it better? Is it better this time?
About me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Curly Kenny. If you want to join the Curly crew, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that notification bell if you never want to miss a video. If you don't know already, we do hair, makeup, and a little slice of life in between there. Meal prep, weight loss journey, all that good stuff. So if you want to be a part of our family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you are not new, welcome back. Thanks for coming back for another video. Today's video is going to be another unboxing. We are going to give BoxyCharm another chance. This is my second box. This is the June box. This is the base. I think they call it the base or the basic box. So we are going to see, if you did not already see my first video, that was my May box, and I wasn't too thrilled with it. I wasn't disappointed completely, but they gave me 2 eyeshadow palettes, and just watch the video. So this video is going to be the June box. So let's get into this video. Okay, so we are going to see. If you don't know, it usually comes in the box like this. They have the shipping label on the back. I'm not going to show it because it has my address, but they have the shipping label on the back. It usually comes just like this. This is the basic box. I'll put the price, if you're not sure how much it is, I'll put the price for this box per month, either in this clip down below in the bottom of the screen. Did better than last time. Okay, BoxyCharm. Okay, I think this is what we got this time. Last time I did not get this. This is a $5 off coupon, Kylie Skin, and a BoxyCharm. It looks like it's telling me what I have in my box. So this is new. Maybe it was just a fluke last month. I don't know, because I didn't get this. All right, so let's move on here. I also got one of these. This tells about one of the products that looks like it's in the box. So first product is Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara. Came in a box like this. I don't know if you can see that without the glare. There you go. And if I remember, I will put what it retails somewhere in this video, either in the description box or in up here, down here, somewhere. I like the packaging of this. This is black sleek look, and see what the brush is looking like. Brush is pretty. That's the wand. I don't know if that makes a difference to you. Some mascara will dip in, some are curved and some are not. You can always curve it yourself though, but we shall see if we like that. That is Lily Lashes. And the next one is lip liner lip gloss combo. It says Kim Ariana Brielle KAB. Never had this brand of anything before, so this will be interesting. So let's see here. And cute colors. Lip liner, lip gloss. I think I'm gonna like this box. This comes in, I will brush that. Ooh, it's soft. Very soft. It glides on. And this is a lip gloss. It is called Charming. I don't know if you can see it. Well, I tried, y'all. I tried. Very me. This color is me. Good job, BoxyCharm. It's that color pink. Almost the same pink I have on my lips now. All right. Never had this before, like I said. KAB. Is it CAB or KAB? I don't know. But it's Kim Ariana Brielle. Lip gloss and lip liner combo. Next, we have one of my favorite brands. I love their primer. This is the setting spray, Smashbox setting spray. weightless photo finish setting spray. My favorite primer is the Smashbox photo finish. So if this is as good as that, it came out of the box just like this, by the way. BoxyCharm, get it together. So that is my favorite. If it's anything like the photo finish primer, then I'll love it. So let's see. Size is, in case you don't know, BoxyCharm sends, the base box is 5 full-size products. And this is a full size. I'm so excited about this. And see my hand, it's almost as big as my hand. So I don't know why I'm getting ready to do this, but it smells stuff. It smells good. It smells clean. And next we have BB cream. Much better. Looks like it's something I would wear. And BB cream by Pureless. Is that how you say it? Pureless? I don't know. It's BB cream, SPF, oil-free, moisturizing, natural-looking coverage, matte meets glowy finish. So I'm interested to see what the coverage for my birthmark will be, because if you see me without my makeup, you know that I have a birthmark that comes all over my face. So I usually use 2 different types of foundation when I do my makeup on this side, because this is the side where I need different type of coverage. I don't use the color correcting, that's a whole nother story, but this is, I will be interested to see how this does with me. So I will let you guys know about that. And finally is the Kylie Skincare Kylie Jenner. Excited. I've never tried any of Kylie Jenner's products. I know, y'all, I'm cheap. I know she's not real expensive, but I kind of stick with the same for the most part. But I'm interested to see. This is a foaming face wash. Like I said, full-size bottle. It's actually bigger than my hand. So super excited about this. I was just saying that I need more skincare. Oh well. It smells really good. It's like a soapy, clean smell, not a real strong soapy smell. So that is the last product I got. I am so excited about this box. I will do another one, another month with BoxyCharm. If I like that one, I will upgrade. There's different levels of subscription, so I will upgrade to get more if I like that. So it's safe to say that May was a fluke. Either they ran out of products or I don't know, they just didn't care.
100% correct.
But BoxyCharm, good job this time. Thank you for getting it right. I did double check when you first sign up for BoxyCharm subscription, they ask you a bunch of questions, they do quizzes, and when I first did my quiz, I felt like I did pretty good as far as what I wanted, and I went back and checked after I received the Maybox. I went back and checked because it was so awkward. Like I said, just go back and watch my video from my first I'll link it down below. It's my first BoxyCharm. If you compare this box with that one, May to June is 10 times better. So I'm a super duper excited about this, and that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all of the love on my last unboxing video. It was over 1,000. That was my first time reaching over 1,000 on any of my videos, so I am super duper excited about that. More to come. I will have a little bit of a different schedule this week, but I'm going to try to keep up with my plans for June. For my birthday month, I want to try to do as many videos as possible, something similar to the Vlogmas, but I can't do that every single day. Once again, if you are new here, please hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, so you never miss an upload from me, and you will see more BoxyCharm. If you love the BoxyCharm unboxing, you will see more of those. like I said, I'm super duper happy. I'm super duper happy. So I am so thankful for everybody who has supported my channel thus far. I appreciate you all. This is a different journey for me, but I love to do it. So I thank you all for the support for last video. Keep them coming. I will keep them coming. You guys have excellent content as well. Small YouTubers. Shout out to small YouTubers, whatever small means. Anyway, so thank you all for watching. I will see y'all in the next video. Peace. What is that on top? Smells so good. What you think? Girl, what you think?
Do you like this girl? Cute.
Cute.